In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post in Blogger, also known as Blogspot. Whether you're a seasoned writer or just starting out on your blogging journey, publishing a post on Blogger is a straightforward process. So, let's dive in and explore each step carefully to ensure you can confidently publish your blog entries. First, let's begin by signing in to Blogger. Head over to blogger.com and log in using your Google account. Make sure to use the account that you've associated with your blog. Once you're signed in, you'll be brought to your Blogger dashboard, the central hub where all your blogging activities take place. Now that you're on your dashboard, it's time to create a new post. Look for the button or icon labeled New Post. It may appear as a plus sign depending on the version you're using. Clicking this will open the post editor where all the magic happens. Here, you'll want to start by entering a compelling title at the top. This is what your readers will see first, so make it engaging and descriptive of the content to follow. Then, move on to the main content editor. This is where you can unleash your creativity, writing your article, and making use of various formatting tools available in the toolbar. You can add headings to break down your text, insert images or videos to make your post visually appealing, and even format your text to enhance readability. As you work, take a look at the right sidebar. Here, you'll find valuable options like labels, permalink, search description, and scheduling. Labels are essentially tags for your post, helping readers find related content easily. Setting a permalink can aid in customizing your post's URL, while adding a search description can improve your post's visibility through search engines. Scheduling comes in handy if you prefer your post to go live at a specific time. Before publishing, you might want to see a sneak peek of how your post appears to the audience. Click on Preview to get a visual representation of your post in its published form. This step is optional, but it's a useful way to catch any formatting issues or typos you might have missed. Once you're happy with how everything looks, you're ready to take the final steps: publish or save. Clicking the Publish button will make your post live for the world to see. Alternatively, if you'd like to come back and work on it later, you can click Save to keep it as a draft. Additionally, you have the option to schedule your post. This can be done by clicking the Published On drop-down in the right sidebar, selecting Set Date and Time, and choosing when you want the post to go live. This feature is perfect if you like to plan ahead and release content at optimal times for your audience. And there you have it, a complete guide to posting in Blogger. Remember, blogging is all about expressing your thoughts and sharing your ideas, so have fun with it.